In today's lesson, we will discuss the second category of verbs, kedal. How to conjugate verbs with kedal in the past tense. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Verbs with kedal conjugation. Do you remember what is meant by kedal?
के कोई काम करना
No.
भूल गई सर,
Kedal mean to
भूल
become.
गई. To become.
To become.
ठीक.
Yes.
जी.
कवल जो है वो कोई काम करना था.
ठीक. ठीक. Kedal to become.
इसका प्रेजेंट कंजुगेशन आपको याद है?
हाँ जी सर.
जी बताए.
ये था ना कि ज़खा इंसान कैसे बोलेंगे, मतलब एक अच्छा इंसान बन जाना. खा उस्ताज के दम, खा उस्ताज के दम, ज़खा उस्ताज के दम.
के गम.
के गम.
Yes, this dal was to change to gap.
ठीक. ठीक सर.
याद आया अभी?
अभी याद आ गया सर.
ज़खो उस्ताज के गम. Now how would you say I became a better teacher?
ज़खा
उस्ताज़ा
के गम.
No, in past.
अच्छा.
Ustaza shwam.
Shwam.
I became. For the past tense of ke gam, it is shwam.
ठीक है.
Okay. Zakho ustaza shwam. I became a good teacher. Make another sentence. Another thing.
Zakha doctora shwam.
What does it mean?
Zakha doctora shwam.
Okay. Zakha doctora shwam. Okay. Now say we got better. हम अच्छे हो गए. Like from illness etc.
तो बच्चे हो गए थे पास्ट में.
हम अच्छे हो गए हैं. हाँ.
ठीक है. हम अच्छे हो गए. मूंग खा के गम. तो वो श्वम हो जाएगा. मूंग खा
शू. It will change.
ठीक है.
Shwam
will changes to
shoo.
ठीक.
Similarly, ke gum ki gu.
के गु. ठीक.
Yes. मूंग खशू. त ख श्वे.
सर बोर्ड नजर नहीं आ रहा.
अच्छा. मैं सोच रहा हूँ ये क्यों आपको समझ नहीं आ रही. I'm writing. आपने मेरे ख्याल में अभी टप टप सुनी है कीबोर्ड की.
हाँ जी. मैंने कहा आप टाइप कर रहे हैं लेकिन नजर नहीं आ रहा.
Verbs with kedal conjugation. Okay.
जी ठीक है. अब आगे स्क्रीन.
ज़खो उस्ताज के गम. I became a good teacher. ज़खो उस्ताद शवम. I became a good teacher. ज़खो डॉक्टर शवम. You can say 2010 के ज़खो उस्ताद शवम. 2012 के ज़खो डॉक्टर शवम. मूंग खशू. He got better. Okay. Or if you want to say we are getting better. मूंग खकीगू. ठीक है. This is present. Okay. मूंग खकीगू. تخشوي, you got better. Okay. تخكيجي, you are getting better.
ठीक. इधर
तासो
इधर वो शुम नहीं आएगा.
नहीं, श्वे.
श्वे. अच्छा.
असल चीज जो है वो श्व है, श्व. इसके साथ हम ऐड करें तो आई के साथ श्वम, वी के साथ उ श्वु, यहाँ पर श्व के साथ ए आएगा तो खश्वे.
ठीक. जी सर.
तासो तासो ग्रेजुएट श्वे.
ठीक.
And some are getting graduated. तासो graduate किए गए. Getting?
Yes sir.
आगा graduate show. It is like this. आगा graduate show. आगा graduate schwa. और he masculine.
Schwa. Okay. हागा ग्रेजुएट शू और हागा ग्रेजुएट शुआ.
This is for feminine. Okay, now say it in present.
किकी. किगी.
Yes. Haga.
हागा ग्रेजुएट किकी.
Kigi. Very good. And this is also the same, okay, for all, because in present tense only e comes at the end in all. Okay.
ठीक. Yes sir.
Okay, and how do you say they graduate shoe? We graduate shoe. Or if this is difficult, because for we also it is shoe, so you can use shul. Both can be used.
Okay.
So my point is, you only learn the conjugation of this shum once. Now we will put other things with it, and it will be conjugated the same way. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
At the end, only is shu and shwa and shu. This will come. Okay. We had discussed one verb, if you remember, in kedal verbs. It was the kedal. You remember?
Sir, कौन सी?
The kedal. In kedal verbs, we discussed one. The kedal.
Uda kedal. Sleepy, to become sleepy.
Yes. Yeah. Now, say, I slept last night. Zauda
shwam.
Very good. Zaparun shpa. Yesterday night.
Zaparun shpa. Zasparun shpa ke uda shwa. नहीं.
Shwam. I slept with my mother in her room last night. Zaparun. More Sara with mother. Kota mean room.
ठीक.
Udashwam.
ठीक sir.
Now for the next personal pronoun.
Mung. मुंगपरून होटल के उदा शवो.
Very good. Udashwu. Like the way I had told you, kawal and comb is used. Kawal and comb both are used. The kawam and the comb.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
you
sir.
can say shum. You can say shum instead of this. Shu instead of this. Ungudishu.
Okay.
Ungudishu. He slept.
Mungudashu.
Use it for the next one.
Haga.
हाँ
आगा मस्जिद के उदास
आगा माजीगर के
आगा माजीगर के उदाशवा
दो yes she
और फीमेल
next
आगा अब फॉर मैस्कुलिन हागा हागा मलगरे कोर कोर के उदा
very good
शु
show
मलगरे
very
कोर
good
के उदा शु
yes
अब लास्ट रह गया हगुई हगुई निकिया के कोर दादा के घर
हाँ Nanika pakor ke
निका निका
Nika is our grandfather Nika
निका हगुई दा निका
not Nika
पकोर
Nika
निका
Nika
ठीक
not with alif at the end it's kind of ha like a pe इस पे मैं राजी नहीं हूँ इस पे that kind of Nika
ठीक है निका
short and
पकोर
alif
ठीक
Nika pakor ki udashwal or
उदाशवन
dashu both can use but shwal is more common
ठीक
okay now turn these into translate these into present this with the kidal all
अब हम नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी डिस्कस करेंगे या नेक्स्ट वर्ब
नहीं किसी भी कैटेगरी को डिस्कस करें इसी को प्रेजेंट में या आपने पास्ट में बनाई ना कन्वर्ट इट इनटू प्रेजेंट
ज़बरूनशपा उदा
no
केगम
it will not work because parunshpa means yesterday night
Yesterday.
it cannot be used in present yes
ठीक
zaba nanshpa
जी
uda kegam
ठीक है ज़बा शपा के उदा केगम
yes I will sleep at night future tense yes
ठीक अब मुंग मुंग बा होटल के उदा केगु
yes we will next one
हागा बा हागा बा माजीगर के उदा के गई
he will
केगी
sleep he will sleep in the late afternoon
जी सर आपका बोर्ड फिर मुझे नजर नहीं आ रहा हाँ अब आया
ठीक है
जी
भी आ गया बोर्ड
नहीं आ गया
अच्छा ठीक next negative sentences I'm giving you another verb with kedal what should I give you खपा kedal खपा होना नाराज होना
खफा अच्छा खफा के
get angry to get angry with someone
ठीक है मैं तुमसे नाराज थी
हो गई
za.
The way you are saying that is past to be tense. Past to be
अच्छा
tense.
अच्छा ठीक
Then verb is not there. Yes.
ठीक है
I was only like angry with you, but no verb there. Here,
ठीक
show it. Yes, as a verb. Uh,
za.
Tana khafashum. Tana khafashum.
ठीक
I got angry with you. Tana, from you. Okay, Tana mean from you. Khafashum. I became
ताना
naraz.
means from you.
Yes,
ठीक
Tana. Tana khafashum. Now use it in the present tense. Tana khafakigam.
za खफा के कम
Yes, khafakigam. Tana na khafakigam.
मैं तुमसे नाराज
Sorry,
नहीं
I
थी
don't get.
नहीं
नहीं होती. नहीं होती.
होती
नहीं होती. Tana
जबताना खफा न खफा ना के गम
yes, Tana na khafakigam.
जबताना खफा ना के
Future.
गम ठीक
Tana na khafakigam.
ठीक
One na mean from and one na mean not.
ठीक यस
प्यार ना खपकेगम.
ठीक
Now convert it into past.
जबताना जबताना नहीं जाताना ना खफा शवम
No. Tana shwam. With the past tense, it is that in the past tense the negative split the verb.
ठीक
Got it? Yesterday also this was the case. It was like this. It should be khapa, shwam should be combined with each other. But in past when you are making negative, this will come and split the verb into two parts.
ठीक
Okay? Yes.
जी
Another one. Zadahawina nakhapakegam. The hawina from them.
सर अभी नजर आया मुझे बोर्ड अभी आया
अभी तक गायब थी.
अभी तक गायब था
ये क्यों?
अभी आया
अभी ठीक है.
अब ठीक है
Make another sentence.
पा
फिर आपको नजर आ रही है?
यस सर आ रही है मैं सोच रही थी सेंटेंस सर हागा का बनाना है
हाँ बनाओ.
हागा
He got angry with you. वो आपसे नाराज हो गया.
हागा तासु तासु सरा
Tasu na from you.
अच्छा तासु ना खफा शवो
Apasho.
शवा
Apasho.
खफा शो
And if she is feminine, aga tasu na apashwa. And ask why she got angry with you. Aga tasu na wale apashwa.
वाले खफा शवा ठीक
Want to say where he got angry with you. Charta apashwa. Okay.
ठीक
Aga tasu na charta apashwa. Where he got
वेयर
angry with you.
ठीक
giving you another word. Only use it in Pashto, okay? Conjugate it in Pashto. खुशाला किदल
Okay.
to become happy.
ठीक. In past tense, sir.
Past tense में जो है conjugate करो. खुशाला किदल
Okay.
become happy.
ذا खुशाला شوم. مو खुशाला شو.
Hmm?
مو खुशाला شو.
Huh? Huh?
هاغا खुशाला شوا.
Very good.
फिर هاغا खुशाला شو और
Hmm?
هاغوی खुशाला شول.
Very good. How you खुशाल actually. Okay. Now put these things. The Tana खुशाल shum. From you.
ठीक.
The Klarna, like from my father. Dera खुशाल shum. Dera mean very much.
Very much.
Shum can also be used, okay? Shum or shum, both.
Okay.
The Morna ala nashum. Okay. The Hagina from her Khafashum. Okay?
ठीक. Yes.
The Hagina Khafashum. I'm taking a new board. And tell me whether you see it or not. बीमार केदल और नाजोड़ा केदल. Let's use बीमार as well as najoda. Najoda is Pashto word and बीमार is Urdu word, but both are used a lot.
एक और सर होता है नारोगा, उसका क्या होता है मतलब? वो भी यही है?
हाँ वो भी यही है. नाजोड़ा नारोगा.
एक.
Yes.
हागा बीमार के शो.
Show. Show or show, both can be used.
ठीक.
Show, I think it's very easier on the tongue. That wo sound, this W sound becomes a bit difficult.
मूंग यखनी के नजोड़ा शो.
Yes. Last year, during winter. But yes.
हागा परून के नजोड़ा शवा.
Parun, not K.
ठीक. हागा परून
Joda shwa. He got ill. Yesterday.
ठीक.
It will not mean to become everywhere. You will have to like use your common sense, okay? Like bimar kedal, it's like to get ill. In Pashto. So you will not have to translate it as to become. You will have to get sense from it. What does it mean in English?
Yes. जी.
Aparun na joda shwa. Yes, next one.
Zashpa na joda shwam.
Night I got ill. Okay. Last night, etc. Next one.
सर और अभी ज़हन में नहीं आ रहा.
Na joda shwal. Got ill. Parun mean yesterday.
ना जोड़ल
No, sorry. Najoda shwal.
ठीक
Ho. Us. Now. Us khashwal. Now they have got better. Okay.
ठीक जी
Okay. Another thing, give me a verb which gives the meaning of to become something.
ख्वाड़ल ये लोबा
Modal
को
is to eat.
नहीं हम
Kawal
वो
is
नहीं
the
लगा
verb with kawal.
जी लोस्टल
No. The verbs which comes with kedal, those are from another category you are telling me, like to become something. Yes.
जोंदे के दिल
Yes. Come back to life. I was severely ill yesterday. But today I have come back to life.
Zadera Najoda
Yes.
Shwam
Parundera Najoda If you remember past to be, choose your state in the past. Past to be. You can say yes, Shwam cannot be used. Najoda Kedil. You can say, yesterday I got ill. But if it is I was ill, then you will have to use
ठीक है सर
Got it?
Yes sir
Zaparundera Najoda Shwam. Ho nan bya mean again. Bya mean again Jwandeshum.
ठीक
Deshum. Okay?
जी सर वो वाला भी बता दें वाला ज़परून डेरा ना जोड़ा
Yes. The Parun. Haga Parundir Najoda O. He was very ill yesterday. O Us Khadi. Present to be. Us Khadi. Now he is better.
ठीक उसका मतलब अभी होता है ना now he is better
Also Khasho. Now he got better. Another verb. This was Jwandekidil. Another verb you should give me.
Another verb?
Yes, with Kidal. To become something.
Strong, ताकतवर.
Yes. Mazbut.
Mazbut.
Mazbut Kidal, to become stronger. The Jim Sara. Jim Sara mean with Jim. Mazbut Shom.
Yes, sir.
The Jim Sara Mazbut Shom. I became stronger with the gym. Okay.
ठीक sir.
The cricket Sara. We'll say like this. The cricket Sara Mazbuta. مضبوط شوم. I will be added to مضبوط.
ठीक
Yeah,
है.
you do it for the to. You do it for to and taso.
तासु तासु वर्जिश सरा
Very good.
वर्जिश सरा मजबूता श्वम.
Oh, taso, you are saying to me, I am.
अच्छा.
Taso warzish sara mazbuto.
شوي.
Yes. Taso warzish sara mazbut shwe. Okay. Another one I'm giving you, it is kamzori kedal. Become weak. Kamzori kedal. Your homework will be that we have converted all these into past. You convert it into present then. Okay?
ठीक है सर.
Become weak. Yes. Zona bimare sara kamzor shwam.
ठीक.
Due to illness, I become weaker. Next.
मूंग
Mung. Yes,
फ्लू सरा.
mung. Huh?
मूंग फ्लू सरा.
Yes,
कमजोर है.
zukam.
जुकाम.
Zukam sara. Huh? Kamzori.
जुकाम सरा कमजोर है. शू.
Shu. So, sugar sara, like sugar bimari. Sorry, and what should be the ending?
श्वा.
Shwe. Ta.
श्वे.
Ta.
ठीक है.
Shwe. मजबूत shwe, kamzor shwe. Okay?
Yes, sir.
कमजोर केदल, मजबूत केदल, ज्वंदे केदल, मड़ केदल, die, become die, मड़ केदल. Yes. I didn't die.
Zana. Mad. Shwam.
Zaman nashwam. I told you, you will have to then split it into two parts. In the middle, you will have to put not. Mad kedar is the main part, but in the middle, when you are making negative, in the middle you will have to put not. Splitting happens in this. Zaman nashwam. The sasara. The rotasara. Like due to bread. Mad nashwam. Now you make the next one. Negative.
Negative. Mung. Mung. खाना सरा. नहीं.
Mung.
सर नहीं आ
Mobile
रहा.
sara. If someone says to you, due to mobile, you will die. You would say mung mobile sara. Mada nishu.
ठीक है.
Nishu. Murl is like one. Plural is mala.
ठीक है.
Many people who die. Mala.
ठीक है सर.
Okay. your mother
जी
says to you, don't use mobile that much, you would say mung mobile sir amro nishu. We haven't died due to it. Okay, we didn't
ठीक है
die
सर,
with mobile. Yes.
ठीक है तो सर
Next
ट्राई
one.
करूंगी कहने के लिए।
She understands? Ashto?
नो सर।
Hmm. Okay. Haga
अच्छा
Morsho. This is very like used a lot. He died. Haga Mlashwa. She died. Okay.
जी सर।
Haga Mlashwa. Zama Plar Morsho. My father died in that year. Zama Mor Mlashwa. My mother died that year. Okay, like if someone is telling a story from the past. Zama Mor Mlashwa. The Haga Plar Morsho. His father died.
ठीक।
Hagi Mor Mlashwa. Her father died. Her mother died. Hagi Mor Mlashwa. Okay.
सर एक बात ये है कि मड़ा हमने यूज किया है मोर के लिए, और तो वो प्लूरल के लिए नहीं आता, प्लूरल के लिए
क्या?
मड़ा।
No, they're different. Mlo and mla. Mlo, mla.
ठीक है
Different. This is mlo.
ठीक है
Mlo. The stress is on this one. Mla.
ठीक है।
Okay. Mlo.
इसमें ये ना बोलने
Stress
के
की बात है.
डिफरेंट होता है, हाँ स्ट्रेस होता है
हाँ.
किसी चीज के ऊपर, फिर
मड़ो
वो वर्ड चेंज हो
हाँ.
जाता है।
Mlo, mla.
मड़ा
Here the sounds go up in the end. Mla. Mlo, mla.
मड़ा मड़ा।
Mla. Mla is for any feminine who dies. Ml is for any masculine who dies, and mlo is for any plural. Okay, mlo.
प्लूरल। ठीक।
Yes. Okay, then another thing, for like I will use it for professions. Okay, some tailor keder become tailor.
ठीक।
Tailor is written like this or T-A-I. I think it's T-A-I. Huh?
सर बोर्ड नजर नहीं आ रहा लिखा हुआ आपको?
अभी तक नहीं आ रहा?
नहीं अभी आ रहा था, अभी नहीं आ रहा।
हाँ मुझे बताया करे वो। मैं सोचा कि किस वक्त से नजर नहीं आ रही बोर्ड।
अब आया नजर।
फिर दूसरों के लिए मसला होता है ना रिकॉर्डिंग में। गाय और कीदल
ये टेलर केदल दर्जी।
हाँ टेलर yes दर्जी. You can use any kind of profession in this kedal conjugation.
ठीक।
How would you say he became a driver? Aga
भागा ड्राइवर।
driver show.
ठीक है।
Aga nurse ashwa. Nurse ashwa. The university के माली शुम गार्डनर माली.
ठीक है। हाँ
The Hagiror, her brother. The Hagiror pilot show. The Hagahor. The Hagahor, his sister. The Hagahor
डॉक्टर
Dr. Nashwa.
डॉक्टर नशवा।
Okay.
ठीक।
Another profession. Dukandar. Haga Dukandar show.
हट्टीवार।
He became shopkeeper.
ठीक।
Dukandar show.
दुकानदार को हट्टीवार भी कहते हैं ना?
पश्तो में
नहीं कहते?
नहीं हम हम तो दुकानदार कहते हैं। पता नहीं शायद पश्तो में भी बहुत सी डायलेक्ट्स है। लकी मरवत वाले एक तरह के बोलते हैं, लेकिन ये जो है ये मैं जो सिखा रहा हूँ ये पेशावरी वाला टेक्स्ट बुक में जो आता है वही वही पश्तो है।
ठीक है, तो एक जगह
वरना
मैंने
बहुत
बस पढ़ा था।
व्हाट दे से बटीवार
जी, हड्डीवाल।
बटीवार। maybe I haven't heard it. Okay. هغه दुकानदार شو زه او زما خور زه او زما خور I and my sister graduate شو. This is then plural. Okay.
जी,
زه او زما خور graduate شو. هغه chemistry graduate شو. chemistry
ठीक।
graduate شو.
इसको हम
او
क्वेश्चन
زه
में भी बोल सकते हैं ना, हागा केमिस्ट्री
हाँ
ग्रेजुएट हुआ।
yes. او زه English graduate شو. Your
ठीक
homework will be to convert all these now into present tense. Okay,
ठीक है,
like he is becoming a driver. Okay, he is
ठीक है,
becoming a nurse. And into the present, he will be into the future, he will become a driver.
ठीक
She
है।
will become a nurse. Okay.
ओके सर।
Is it enough? And
यस
try
सर,
to make
बहुत।
new try to make new things with kedel, new verbs.
ठीक है सर।
Okay, to become it's easier. Yeah, I'm downloading the board. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will discuss kawal, how to say it in past. Like
ठीक है
मैं
सर।
काम करता हूँ, I work, how to say it. I'm stopping the recording. Inshallah, meet you in the next.